In this satisfying, quick video, I'll show you how to clean nasty cup holders the right way. No guesswork, no shortcuts, so you can confidently tackle this at home yourself. Start by hitting the area with steam while vacuuming at the same time. This loosens up sticky change, dried soda, coffee gunk, whatever's in there. I'm using a 5 horsepower rigid shop vac paired with a powerful vapor clean steam cleaner. Just be careful to not hold the steamer too long in one spot to avoid damage. Steamers like this exceed well over 300 degrees, and the plastic tip of your vacuum can also scratch the plastic, so don't go in there scraping and scrubbing around aggressively. We're just trying to get the bulk of this gunk out first. Next, spray a gentle interior cleaner like P&S Express. I don't recommend degreasers or harsh all-purpose cleaners on cup holders or any other car interior surface actually. Those caustic and toxic cleaners can fade and dry out your trim either immediately or eventually in the future, especially when not diluted properly and or paired with a steamer, so be careful. Use a soft boar's hair brush to agitate everything down in the pores and cracks of the surface. I provided links to most of the tools and products used in this video in the description below if you would like to check them out. Wipe it all up with a high quality microfiber towel like the Edgeless 300 I'm using here. These trap dirt and bacteria safely and won't leave lint behind. I know you might have seen those microfiber towels at Walmart or some other auto parts store, but I promise you, if you've never used a nice microfiber towel like these, you're really missing out. Hit those cracks and crevices again with your steamer. This is where most people might stop, but going deeper really sets the detail apart. Follow with the microfiber and repeat until it's spotless. You might not see it at first, but there are usually small, sticky, camouflage bits hiding around the edges of these cup holders. If you're not looking closely, it's easy to miss them. I spend extra time making sure all of that hidden grime is removed so I can deliver a truly sanitary result and give even an older car like this Buick a like-new appearance. It's those small details that make a big difference, trust me. So I believe I have this cleaned out pretty good, so let's blow out any leftover debris and moisture with 90 psi of compressed air. This also helps reveal what you might have missed before moving to the final touch. So I still see some stuck on pieces on the edges, so I'm going to come in with some more P&S Express and use a small plastic safe drill brush attachment. But a detailing brush works fine too if you'd rather stick with that. It just might take you longer. Just go over the edges again and wipe clean. No dressing needed, just a clean factory finish cup holder brought back to life. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with a friend, and consider subscribing if you want to keep learning how to detail the simple way while still getting professional grade results. I'm Alan with Highlands Auto Detailing. Thanks for watching, and if you want to keep learning right now, watch this next video right here.